Welcome back. You're inside Bollywood with Rohit Roy. मेरे साथ the wonderful Sunil Shetty and the very lovable Sanjay Dutt. Let's have some fun. That's you were telling me a story about Anna.
Anna is a very, very emotional guy. I mean, he looks tough from the outside, but he's a baby from his heart. He hates the cold. And then he's very particular about sleeping timing. ये वो सब है. And LOC was one film where अन्ना के इर्द गिर्द सब बदमाश जैसे कि अभिषेक, मैं, अजय देवगन हम लोग सब अभी ये परेशान हो गए थे. तो एक सीन हम लोग का था यहाँ रात के टाइम पे. आई एम द कमांडर एंड आई एम टेलिंग माय बटालियन कि ये करना चाहिए और अल्लाह और भगवान और सबके ऊपर कुछ था. तो अन्ना आए मेरे पास, बोले कि देखो ये डायलॉग्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और बहुत इमोशनल डायलॉग्स हैं और अच्छी तरह से बोलना. और ठीक है. तो मैं गया तो कैमरा मेरे पीछे था. इट वाज देयर शॉट एंड इन लोगों को हाँ साहब जी बोलना था. तो मैं बोल रहा था एंड सडनली मैंने अन्ना को देखा हाँ साहब जी करके, बट विद टीयर्स इन हिज आईज. Anna started crying. Can you believe it?
Really crying?
Yeah. He was crying.
He cries more than I do.
वैसे एक बात उन्होंने सच कही कि आप दोनों की जो इमेज है, आप दोनों की जो पर्सनल लाइफ है, you're completely different from each other. That's chalk and cheese. You're absolutely, regimen following. Wake up at 7, do this, have lunch at such. And he's a wild boy. You never know what's coming next with that Sal. How did you become such good friends? What's there in common?
I think Kaate. It was a big film. We were already there, and there was a lot of trouble. And I think that's the time when we all realized, and Baba was producing the film. We all bonded brilliantly, made that film happen, which was otherwise impossible. Amit ji, I think we all look up to him and the way he operates. With everything, in pain, with all the problem in the world. I remember he had flown down somewhere for an award he was getting, and the 9/11 happened. Planes weren't coming in. He managed. He came there, shot. So I think that's the time when all of us bonded, and Baba and me grew very, very close.
There are a lot of similarities between Anna and me. I think he's a large-hearted person. He's helping everybody. He's always there. He's standing by. He's emotional. He's doesn't come from here. He comes from here. He's a heart of gold.
There's another mind-blowing similarity, which we were talking about in your van. Both of your fitness freaks, the original poster boys. क्योंकि मैंने कहीं पढ़ा कि आप कह रहे थे कि ये 6 pack क्या होता है? I want to get 8 packs. Is there something like 8 packs?
Yes, there is.
Wow.
There is.
Anna?
He is the original rock star.
Yes.
Somebody you always looked up to. Even today, body, no body. When Sanjay Dutt walks, he walks. Yeah. When Sanjay Dutt talks, he talks. I see him as a legend. For anything and everything he does.
I think all of us
and even if he ever makes a mistake, I know there's a heart behind it, and because of which it has happened.
Anna, you've always been involved with a lot of charities. You come from a background which is like that. Please tell something about that. About
I think that Save the Children, after my mother-in-law was the founder of Save the Children, which her children now have taken over. That's Rahul, Isha and Mana. And I've always been very, very supportive, and my focus is children, so I've always focused on children, because otherwise there's so much to do. But I strongly believe if each one does a particular job, then the job is completely done. Every time I dreamt, I always told Mana, I think I see Sanju as a part of it. I'm there, but I see Sanju as the face of Save the Children, and a child who's been through everything but still come out strong.
Sir, आप काफी और भी NGOs को support करते हैं, लेकिन कभी बात नहीं करते हैं. You've always been doing that, or is it just a new phenomenon?
Well, it all started with when my mother died. When it started with my father, where he wanted to do a lot for cancer patients in India who cannot afford that kind of a treatment in America. तो शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई, and then it became larger. There is another group of children. It's a group called Support.
Right.
And Anna has spoken to Mana about it also.
Yeah.
I wanted Mana to come and be there, part of it, because it's really sad. It's the street children who are totally hooked on drugs. Totally hooked on drugs. I mean, बच्चे Anna 6 साल की लड़की.
I saw that lot at that show.
You saw that, no? And
वो अफोर्ड कैसे कर सकते हैं 6 साल के बच्चे ड्रग्स वो भी रास्ते पे?
मिल जाता है घर द्वार. There's nothing nowadays. Is nothing, And it's this group who picks up these children and takes them to detoxification, rehabilitates them and educates them, which is a great thing, I think. You know, street children who've been just thrown.
Both of you have done a lot in that direction, and we will make an ardent request to you that please support these charities that they support. Anna, he is the only guy who've known, जो इतने वक्त से मैं इनको जानता हूँ, ये छोटे से छोटे इंसान से लेकर किसी कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट तक उनके साथ एकदम इक्वली कंफर्टेबली बात कर सकते हैं.
He manages that. He's got that rapport with anybody. You see the workers, it's Baba for him. You see people from any walk of life, and when they talk about Sanju, it's always Baba. That's why I say for me he's a legend.
Yeah.
You talk about Amit ji, and then the next figure that comes into your mind is Sanjay.
When he walks into a room,
absolutely. The rest may be superstars, they may be stars, but for me, Baba is a legend.
Have you ever thought of going into politics?
I think one person in politics from the family is enough. But definitely, I mean, I think better than politicking, Anna will agree with me, is helping people.
Since we are talking about destiny, आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं destiny, kismat and all that. A very good friend of yours. You are one destiny's child in the industry. And then there's one more who almost is like a prototype. He has a self-proclaimed fan of yours. He also got into bodybuilding, looking at you, and everything which has happened in your life almost closely follows him too. And he's the other destiny's child, Salman Khan. And he gets so worried whenever something happens to you because he thinks कि अब मेरी बारी है. How close are you guys?
We are very close. He's like a younger brother to me, and a wonderful person. Again, from the heart, doesn't mean what he does. And when he gets into problems, I also get tense. You know, because मेरे साथ वो सब हो चुका है, and मैं नहीं चाहता कि उसके साथ कुछ ऐसा ही हो. You know, I pray to God he's okay, and I'm always there for him.
Fantastic. On that note, we'll take a short break. Break के बाद आगे straight on, we'll go to the audiences who have been dying to ask questions of Mr. Sanjay Dutt and Mr. Sunil Shetty. For that, stay with us. Don't go away.
इस टाइम मुन्ना भाई जाके बुश को सिखाने वाले हैं कि गांधीगिरी क्या है.